In just a few months, these villas will be home to 27 families. We're here in Rincón de Loix, one of Benidorm's most exclusive residential areas, elevated above the city. As you can see, construction is progressing rapidly. 13 unique villa designs. Private pools, 3 to 4 bedrooms, luxury terraces, and some villas even have their own garage. Every villa is delivered turnkey ready. It features porcelanosa finishing, home smart technology, underfloor heating and solar panels, surrounded by the Sierra Helada Natural Park. And yet only a 10-minute walk away from Levante Beach. This is where privacy, nature and city life come together. If this feels like your new home, we welcome you for a private viewing.